I don't know if you can see, but we got rain and everything's a sheet of ice. Oh Lord. I can't steer. Everything is nasty. So I'm gonna shut the camera off because I'm not going nowheres. It's gonna be an interesting day, that's about all I can say. Josh is going to help the log truck get unstuck way out there. Well, log truck stuck. This place is, we got the rain this last night, but this is all froze. There's all frost in this, so it's just one giant lake in here. There's all hard bottom. But once you get off where trucks were driving and pounded the frost in, this is what happens. If you go right out there where that snow is, there ain't no frost in that ground. It's just in here where we bladed it off and drove when it was real cold. Now it got real warm and rainy. It's actually beautiful out. But you don't want to get off the trail because it gets really muddy really quick. Oh my, oh gosh. Suck hole right there. Jeepers. Like I said. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A little stuck here. Super Josh. See if I can try to help. Once you get off that road, it goes to beans. It's a big suck hole. Got a load of firewood on. Paul's waiting patiently. I'm back. Paul, pull up there behind Josh. Here he goes. Have Paul put his blade behind him. Get Paul to put his blade behind him a little bit. That'll help. That frost in that ground just makes it a little bit slippery. Put your blade up behind Josh. That's good power there. letting him get situated again. Yeah, the road, he tried to come on this side of the road just a little bit. It sank through, but over there on the main road, it's solid as all get out. Get him backing up again here. Yep. She'll go now. There she goes. Hold up. That's Skidders over there. Yeah. Straighten her out, Josh. Just like that. There's some muck over here. Let me show you real quick. Yeah, you don't want it. Over here she's all hard. Over there not so much. We bottomed right out. Pretty quick. But this is all froze down hard as a rock here. He tried to pass this chip that was sitting here and didn't work as planned. Yep. You get over 10 foot, you're good to go. There's a lot of frost in here. A lot of frost. Paulie's on. Well, we got him out. That's a good thing. But yeah, all this, what we did was we bladed it off, and it was down around 0 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we drove over it for a few days loading out of here. What that does is it packs the frost down in the ground. That's why you got this big lake here. But like I said, once you go over there a few feet, there's no, we didn't pack that down, we didn't blade it off. That snow insulates all that, so you're not able to get no frost in the ground. But this is what happens when you get that frost in the ground. The rain, the water don't got nowhere to go when it rained this morning and last night. So you end up with the big lake. So we got the log truck out though, that's a good thing. I can get back to chipping now. Last truck of the day. One channel I really enjoy watching. I do have multiple channels I do enjoy watching, whether it's Logger Wade or Cotton Top 3 there. Oh, Tim down there, and then I got Buck and Billy Ray. I watch him. Those 3 guys are all great watches, but I like to watch a guy named Lord Muck, Lordmuck. He is on the other side of the pond over there, and he's putting out some pretty cool stuff. I've been watching him, and he'll comment on my stuff, and he'll even send me an email sometimes when I have a dilemma or something. He'll give me some pointers. So go check out his channel, Lord Muck. His name's Kurt over there. He's doing some pretty interesting stuff, and the other part that's really nice is he's darn smart. He ain't no idiot. He knows what he's doing. So I like to watch him, and he is pretty funny too. He's got some tricks up his sleeve. So if you get some time, make sure to go check out Lord Muck, Kurt, and it'll be a good time, trust me. He's putting out some pretty cool stuff. And the other thing is if you got questions, he's the guy to ask. If you have some questions on stuff he knows, stuff he's working on, like I said, he ain't no idiot. And he is more than willing to help somebody out, or to make a video, or leave a bunch of comments, or email you. So go check him out. You will not be disappointed. So in case you guys haven't heard of him, check him out.